Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. And in this video, you can learn two very simple but commonly used proverbs, or rather a conversational phrase. And after learning them, you'll have situations to use it right away. Very useful phrases. And thank you, Jess, for reminding me to make a proverb video. It's been a while you watched a video for Proverbs. The first one you can relate to a cow, and the second one you can relate to a peacock if you want to remember well. Here's the phrase for which we are going to see a proverb that conveys its meaning. If you wish to get your work done from a person, you have to find an appropriate way, or in order to get a task done through someone, you have to use relevant methods. Imagine you want something from your children or from workers, staffs. Let us see a phrase for that. Dance with the dancing cow, sing with the singing cow to get milk. Imagine to get milk from a cow, you have to dance with it if it likes dancing and sing with it if the cow likes to sing. So that yields maximum milk. In our context, to get the best work. ஆடற மாட்ட ஆடித்தான் கறக்கணும், பாடற மாட்ட பாடித்தான் கறக்கணும். ஆடற மாட்ட ஆடித்தான் கறக்கணும். ஆடற is adjective and மாடு is cow, and that becomes மாட்ட because of the declension that you might have learned in an earlier lesson. Direct object declension, video number 86. ஆடற மாட்ட ஆடித்தான் கறக்கணும், பாடற மாட்ட பாடித்தான் கறக்கணும். கறக்கணும் means to milk. That is a cool analogy, isn't it? ஆடற மாட்ட ஆடித்தான் கறக்கணும், பாடற மாட்ட பாடித்தான் கறக்கணும். So one of my friends' mother used to say this often about her two children and how she has to deal with them both differently. To one she goes soft, he listens, and to another she has to get the hard through the hard strict route. ஆடற மாட்ட ஆடித்தான் கறக்கணும், பாடற மாட்ட பாடித்தான் கறக்கணும். It's very rhyming, isn't it? ஆடுற மாட்ட ஆடித்தான் கறக்கணும், பாடுற மாட்ட பாடித்தான் கறக்கணும். The next one we are going to use peacock in the sentence. Another very common proverb. This time we may have to take a little aggressive route for the tough guys. No two ways or no choice like dancing or singing. Just be tough and demanding, otherwise nothing is ever going to work with them. If you wish to say you need to be assertive, being polite and nice do not help, what can you use to convey that? A proverb. Well, bird lovers are not going to like this, but it is just an analogy, that is all. So please excuse me. The proverb goes like this. If you say, oh peacock dear, then it's not going to give a feather. Maile mailena eragu podadu, which implies you have to just take one out of it. I think those days they used the peacock feathers for softly spreading medicines on the skin like a soft brush, and that could be the origin of it. So, maile mailena eragu podadu. Imagine you want your son to go get some milk and you cannot be nice and he wouldn't care. So you just say, go get some milk. Maile mailena eragu podadu. Being soft and nice doesn't work. Maile mailena eragu podadu. Maile mailena eragu podadu. Some of you have been who has recently found this channel have been asking, how can I go about this channel and what order should I follow? My suggestion is that just follow all the grammar videos in proper order that are in purple color thumbnails, And other videos you can watch in whatever order you like. I repeat, learn them cool. Language learning is a journey. Do not rush. Check the description for more information and links. That is all, guys. Proverbs are very effective if you use it in the right context and at right time. By the by, it will be very useful for you to follow Instagram. You can refresh all that you have learned in a very, very easy way. And that's the best way to remember what you have learned. The Instagram channel is Learn Speak Tamil. All the best with your Tamil learning and have a pleasant week.